Valmet Performance Centers offer an easy access channel for our customers to industrial internet applications and remote services, making our board and paper experts and their extensive knowledge in board and papermaking processes and data analysis easily available to you, no matter where you are located. Let's dive deeper into one specific Performance Center case where on-demand expert support as well as remote monitoring and optimization services were utilized.
This specific Performance Center case started when one of my colleagues visited MP27 at Klabin. During that visit, the customer informed my colleague that they were experiencing roll marriage problems on the winder. This information was then forwarded to us here at the local Valmet Performance Center in South America to start investigating this problem further. Our local Performance Center specialist, who knows the site and the machine very well, collected initial production and performance data remotely from the mill and had discussions with the customer to understand better about the problem. Once all the necessary information was gathered, this on-demand support ticket was then forwarded to our winder specialist at the Board and Paper Performance Center in Finland.
I received this on-demand support ticket from our Performance Center in South America, and as I specialized with winders, this ticket landed on my table. There was plenty of initial data available, but we still needed to collect more data with the customer to get to the root cause of these roll marriage problems. We established remote connection to the PM27 winder and started to collect data with the customer. After that, we introduced customer to make several changes to the winder parameters, for example, rider roll load, winding force, and tension. We followed the performance of the winder with our Valtrace tool through this whole process. This was done during several days with the customer. This remote test and analysis revealed that optimizing winder acceleration ramp would help mitigate the problem. To achieve these minor program changes and changes to winding parameters were introduced to the customer. After this on-demand support case was solved, we knew from our experience that this type of roll marriage problems could occur due to the machine directional variations from the board machine. And this customer had an agreement with our Performance Center for this continuous performance optimization. So together with customer, we decided that our Performance Center would continue this troubleshooting.
With the remote monitoring and optimization service model, we have bi-weekly meetings with the customer and the local Performance Center to go through this kind of runnability, production and optimization issues, like this roll marriage problem. The remote data analysis is done over a period of time to get to the root causes of the problems and to find the right solutions and suggestions to the customer how the problems can be solved. Regarding this specific case, the local Performance Center had a big role in all of this, as they know the customer's site and the machine very well. The primary work carried out of the Performance Center is understanding the complexity of the board and paper making process. It is also about understanding the different machine sections and their contribution to the process, and then combining extensive knowledge with the data analysis to understand how specific runnability and optimization problems can be solved.
The remote monitoring and optimization service continues with the customer, and soon, Carolina will be helping the customer with another topical issue they want to focus on. A network of 8 Valmet Performance Centers around the world are there to support you with on-demand expert support for case problem solving through remote monitoring and optimization services for continuous improvements and with data discovery.